Hey, welcome to another episode of Slates and Lawn Care. And here we'll be doing some tree trimming. We want to just get the trees off the Japanese maples. Alright, also just getting some garbage that was left from the previous renters. Now here we're getting a tree off of the Japanese maple. It really had put a lot of pressure on it and bent it. Poor tree, man. But we got it, so now it can stand upright. And we see here we cleared it out. It's a lot more open. And you can see the area now. Before that was completely covered. Now the Japanese maple is going to be able to grow up and out. And you see it's clear, you can see underneath. I was really happy with how it came out. Just being able to definitely take that pressure off that tree. You see how clear it is now. Now if you need cleanup like this, just give us a call. We service Atlanta, DeKalb, and Gwinnett. 678-974-6235. Slates and Lawn Care. Make sure you stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching another video by Slates and Lawn Care.